When Santa got stuck up the chimney.
When Santa got stuck up the chimney, he began to shout, "You boys and girls won't get any toys if you don't pull me out. My beard is black, there's soot in my sack, my nose is tickling too." When Santa got stuck up the chimney, A-choo, A-choo, A-choo. On the eve before Christmas Day, when Santa Claus arrived on his sleigh, into a chimney he climbed with his sack, but he was so fat he couldn't get back. Oh, what a terrible plight! He stayed up there all night. When Santa got stuck up the chimney, he began to yell, "Oh, hurry please, it's oh such a squeeze, the reindeer's stuck as well. His head's up there in the cold night air, now Rudolph's nose is blue." When Santa got stuck up the chimney,